koutou e te whānau morihu. I'd like to introduce to you in our interview today our pōtoro rehita Kere Oma Pene. That's all I'll say actually, and he can do the rest. Tēnā koe hoa.
Kia ora,
Lovely to have you along, and thank you very much for this opportunity. The floor is yours.
Mea tika koe Joe. Paira atu te hitori o tēnei o tātane whānau. Ki o rua wharo, te kāinga tūturu. Mo te karaua nei a Toihau Pene, rau ko Flossie Pene. Ei whāngai ki au nei, ki te taone nui akalana. Kei te hāpai te kaupapa te hāhi, ki te pāriha tuatai no Manua Nui ki akalana. Tai ati ki Ponsonby, East Tāmaki, Māngere, Otahuhu, Ōrākei. My grandfather adopted me quite young. Took me away from Uruawhara, from my parents. Took me into the big city of Auckland. Ended up doing most of my schooling in Otahuhu Primary, Otahuhu Intermediate, Otahuhu College, King's College. And then I went into married trade training in Christchurch in the early 1970s. And while down in Christchurch, I met a Pākehā Apōtoro, an old man, Jim Manahi. And he asked me if I was an Apōtoro. I said, yes, I'm an Apōtoro Wairua. So I got my mother to send my uniform down, and I actually did an apprenticeship under Jim Manahi for 3 years as an Apōtoro Wairua in Christchurch, Kaiapoi. And there weren't many Māori down here in those days, so we did church service in Anglican Church, Catholic Church, Wesleyan churches all over Christchurch. And then I went home, back by my grandparents, and supported church work for about 30 years all over the place, up and down the country. But outside of church, I got involved with groups like Matt Rada and Mana Mutake. Spent a little bit of time under his tutelage, learned about politics. Had a time with our whaia Tua Iwa, or Eva Rickard, for quite a while. And then just recently I've also been involved with Mana through the likes of Hone Harawira. But with all of that stuff, I've always followed the prophecies of our founder, and it's driven my spiritual and my physical life. And today I find myself in a Apōtoro Rehita, not of my own choice of course, but I watched my uncles become ill, and after long service they were unable to carry on the job of running our parish. And so myself, along with my younger brothers, Pui and Kimiora, took up the robes of Apōtoro Rehita, and now we find ourselves responsible for Kia Maia, and that's a major responsibility. So I guess I'm in 2012. This is my 7th year as an Apōtoro Rehita. I have always considered myself an Apōtoro Wairua in the guise of an Apōtoro Rehita. So you'll find that I still do a lot of my Wairua work. I love doing the whakapikiora, the healing ministry. I love the evangelical ministry of preaching the Word of God. I find those are the areas that I shine in. So whānau, yes, my name is Kere Oma Pene. I'm the Apōtoro Rehita for Kia Maia Parish in Māngere, Auckland. I am a servant of this church. And I just want to say to all the whānau out there, Joe, you're doing some good work, and continue doing the main.